Question from the Modern Divorce Support Group. Sorry for the long post, but background is important. I'm a mom of 2 and my fiance has children from a previous marriage. Lovely children. However, biomom runs a very different household than I do. I cook 3 meals a day from scratch, farm fresh beef and pork and snack drawer, in which most people use as a water bottle drawer in their fridge. I have restaurant prep containers of fresh fruits and vegetables cut up and prepared as snacks. We wear clean clothes, socks, and underwear and PJs every night for bed. The other house has a trix cereal at 10 p.m. if that's what they want to eat. No underwear because that's for babies. As time went on, biomom would take pictures of me at back to school night with dad and send them to different people who would stalk me. I ignored it all. Fast forward 2 years. Now she texts the daughter constantly during our parenting time. She refers to me as her and instructs the child to disobey me. I don't want to confront the child because mom will think that she's won. But I also can't reward such chaos and manipulation in our home. Truthfully, I was furious at first, but then really, if you think about it, biomom doesn't know any better and really just needs a big hug and a mom herself. We have every other weekend during the school year and week on, week off over the summer. I'm self-employed, dad runs a business, so I run the day-to-day of childcare and enjoy it, but I'm not sure how I feel about this summer. I don't want to punish the kids, but it's feeling complicated to me. I'm widowed, this is foreign. My name's Billy Tarasio. I'm an Arizona family law attorney. There's some red flags in this post. Your background has absolutely nothing to do with your question. You are just telling us all how you're better than everybody else. Most specifically, quote, biomom. Red flags. Anytime you refer to a children's parent as the biomom or biodad, unless they are completely out of the picture, and this woman has the children the majority of the time, and you're calling her biomom? It's really disrespectful. So your post is telling me that you do not respect mom. Now, I am not surprised that mom is lashing out. It's not good. Mom should not lash out, and mom should especially not put the kids in the middle. But I'm not exactly surprised with all of our context clues. The best advice comes from a comment in the Modern Divorce Support Group, and it says, I had biomom tell her son not to listen to me, and I in turn never gave him an instruction again for 10 years if I could avoid it. I did not want to be set up for a power struggle, so I went to dad if things needed to be done, shoes needed to be put away or whatever. Dad was hyper vigilant about protecting my relationship with the son and would monitor screen time. After our parenting time was over, he would check in with me to improve our plan in any way he could. If he had to be away for the day, he would preface the plan with the child on the responsibilities, and then he would call 2 to 3 times to check in and talk with me and the child. We ended up with full custody and decision-making at 13, visits with mom only at dad's discretion due to her awful behavior and constant conflict. When the child was 14, he said to me, I knew it wasn't you. I've come to realize I was raised to hate you, and the conflict isn't consistent with your character, but it is consistent with my mom. Your stepchildren are in an impossible situation, and anything you can do to make it easier on them and you and more manageable is the way to go.